GAT Plus's Google Calendar Audit and Event Management provides an effective and efficient way to audit the security and exposure of your users' calendars. The admin can modify the calendar permissions on primary and secondary calendars, as well as audit the calendar events. In this how-to video, we'll be going over how to view all of the past and future events and show how to audit and take action on calendar events. First, we'll begin by going to the Calendars area of GAT Plus and selecting Calendar Events at the top. GAT Plus has two buttons to see either past or future events. The Past filter is applied by default. To view all calendar events on the domain, click the filter icon and change the definition to OR, then add a rule, and select period equals future. Then click Apply. To manage any events, click on the drop-down menu on the right of a calendar event. You can select Delete this particular event, delete particular attendees only from this particular event, or change the organizer. For recurring events, you also have the option to remove all recurring events for this ID, as well as deleting particular attendees from all recurring events. And that covers this GAT Plus how-to. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this GAT Labs video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell for regular updates. You can also get a free 15-day trial of GAT Plus by following the link in the description.